is Jared Barrett, and I was nominated by Carter Hill for the Ice Bucket Challenge. I nominate my brother Will, my dad, and my uncle Matt.
All right.
My name is Will. I was nominated by Jared Barrett for the Ice Bucket Challenge. I nominate Mrs. Jones and Gabriel Waldrop.
Okay, ready?
All right, ready? Here we go.
Okay, guys, go get your bucket for Daddy. Oh, wait, Will, you didn't nominate your dad. Oh, wait, Jared nominated him. Okay, ready?
Go.
Go, no, wait, Tim, who are you nominating?
Oh, I'm nominating Matt Mason, Chris Cantor, and Brittany Barrett.
Okay,
There
ready?
you go.
Duck down.